Myself, Dr. Amar Rasheti, professor in AJIT Civil Engineering Department, Mangalore. We will go for important questions of water supply and treatment engineering. Okay, model 2. Now, first question: objectives of water quality management. What are the objective of water quality management? Okay. Now, to ensure the water supply maintain required degree of purity, first objective. Okay, to ensure the water supply maintain the required degree of purity, to maintain the purity, to study the self purification of streams and rivers. Second, to study the self purification of streams and river. Okay. Third one, to identify the best and the cost effective methods of treatment. Okay, best and cost effective treatment of the methods of treatment. Fourth one, to determine the quantity of water needed for different purpose. For the different purpose, what are the quantity of water required for this one? This subject in water quality management. To identify the contaminants or element or organism capable to contribute in color, odor, and taste of water and a certain impact. Okay. Then we go for this one. Okay, next, causing waterborne diseases, very important. Causing waterborne diseases. Okay, to determine the organism capable to causing the waterborne diseases, measuring over step. Okay, measuring. Okay. Next one, find out the quantity of water, its characteristics at different depth of the tube well. Okay, what are the physical, chemical, biological characteristics of the water of the tube well? This is also one of the objectives of the water quality management, to ascertain the need. Okay, okay, this is the first question, objective of water quality management. Second, we go for the treatment of treatment unit flow diagram. Second question, treatment unit flow diagram. Water available in uh, water water available in various source contain various types of impurities and cannot directly use for public for various purposes. Before removing the impurities, for the portability of water should be free from unpleasant taste, odor, and must have the sparkling appearance. The water must be free from diseases spreading germs. Okay. The amount and the type of treatment process will be depend upon the quantity of raw water and standard of quality of raw water and the standard of quantity required after treatment. The surface source generally contain large amount of impurity, therefore they require sedimentation, filtration and chlorination as treatment. If the water contains algae or other microorganisms, chlorination has been done to taste and odor. uh, Dissolved gases like carbon dioxide, hydrochloric, H2O are removed by aeration. During the flood season, the turbidity of surface water may be high and focalization may become necessary to remove the turbidity. Groundwater, which usually clear, may require only disinfection and chemical treatment for the removal of pathogens. Iron removal, softening. Sometimes groundwater contains dissolved gases like hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide, which gives a very bad odor, requires the removal of aeration. Okay. Now, uh, continue. Water treatment include many operations like aeration, uh, okay, aeration, focalization, sedimentation, filtration, softening, chlorination, and demineralization. Depending upon the quantity of the raw water and quality water desired, several combination above process may be adapted as shown in the figure. Okay, in a flow diagram, you can see raw water, okay, chlorination, okay, treated for the supply. One, groundwater. If the ground surface water, raw water, sedimentation, filtration, chlorination, treated. Both different between groundwater and okay, and the surface water. Raw water, okay, sedimentation, after filter, then filtration, then chlorination, treated water, treated then goes to treated surface. But groundwater, it is less impurity, less contaminant. Raw water, chlorination, and treated to the supply. This we will process. Third question: water treatment plant and their purpose. Okay, water treatment plant unit and their significance. We can call this also water treatment plant and unit plant units and their significance. Okay, on computer water treatment requires following process starting sources water up to the distribution system of sequences. Okay, now we go for first one, intake. What is intake? First, purpose of the intake: raw water from the source for treatment. From the source for treatment. First, it will take the raw water from the source to treatment for treatment. This is the intake or pumping plant. Okay. Plain sedimentation to remove the suspended impurities such as silt, clay, and sand. What is the name of the unit? Is plain sedimentation to remove suspended impurities such as silt, clay, and sand. Sedimentation with coagulation to remove the suspended mud particles. Okay, sedimentation with coagulation remove the suspended matters. Okay, filtration to remove the microorganism and colloidal matter. Okay, to remove the microorganism and colloid matter. This is the one of the process for filtration. Microorganism, colloidal matter, it will remove. Water softening plant. Okay, water softening plant to remove the hardness of the water. To remove the hardness of the water. Miscellaneous treatment. Okay, to remove the dissolved taste and odor. To remove the dissolved taste and odor. Okay. Next we go for disinfection to remove the pathogenic bacteria. To remove the pathogenic bacteria. Clear water reservoir to store the treated water. To store the treated water. Pumps for pumping water service reservoir. Okay. If the uh, if town or city is situated at the higher elevation, then pumping is required. Okay, elevated and underground service for distribution of treated uh, water. Elevated groundwater reservoir. Okay, these are the unit and their significant. Okay. Next, fourth question. Okay. Fourth question. Uh, what are the following points should be kept in mind while giving the layout of treatment plant? Okay, very important. Water treatment should be located near to the town as avoid the contamination. Water treatment plant should be located near to the town, avoid the contamination. All the units of the plant should be located in order to frequency and flow from one unit to other by gravity. Okay, second point. All the unit of the plant should be located in order to sequence and flow from one unit to other by gravity. All the units are arranged in such a way minimum area is required, so reduce the cost of construction. Very important. All the units are arranged in such a way minimum area is required, so that reduce the cost of construction. Next, significant area should be reserved for future expansion. Very important. Significant area should be reserved for future expansion. Staff quarters and office should be provided near the treatment plant as operator can watch the plant easily. Staff quarters and office should be provided near the treatment plant so that operator can watch easily. site of the treatment plant should be very neat and give the good look. Okay, assess appearance. Okay, good look. Okay, these are very important points should be remembered. Water treatment plant should be located near to the town. Avoid the contamination. The unit plant located frequently flow the gravity. Okay, the arrangement minimum area required cost very less, it should be economical. Sufficient area required for future expansion. Staff quarters and office should be provided near the treatment plant as to operate can be what the plant easily. Site treatment should be very neat and gives very good effect. Now we go for the fifth question, classification and sources of water supply. Very important. Okay, sources of water supply. Fifth question. Various sources of water supply available on the earth can classified following two category. Okay, surface source and subsurface source. Surface source we can see to our eye, the water we can see to our eye. Why that lakes, okay, lakes or pond, streams and rivers, storage reservoir, ocean. Generally, we are not using for water supply at present. This is the surface. Lakes, streams and rivers, storage reservoir, ocean generally not used for water supply at present. Surface source such as springs, infiltration galleries, infiltration well and tube well. These are the subsurface sources. Okay, well, this subsurface spring, infiltration gallery, infiltration well and tube well. Okay, one by one we will go. Now we go for the surface source. Natural pond or lakes. Quantity of water available pond or lake, however small, do not consider as a principal source of water supply. It depends upon the catchment area of lake basin, annual rainfall and geological information. The quantity of water lake generally good and does not need much purification. Larger and older lake, however, provide comparatively pure water than the smaller new lake. Self-purification of water due to the sedimentation or suspended matter bleaching of color makes the lake water pure and better when compared to stream and river water. Stream and rivers, okay, the quantity or discharge in stream generally low, sometimes even dry in a summer season. Therefore, they may be considered source of water only for small village. The quantity of water in the stream normally good expect the first runoff, but sometimes runoff water flowing over the ground is mixed with silt, clay, sand, and other impurities. This can be removed the sedimentation basin up to certain extent. River found when discharge a large number of springs and streams combined together. River are the most important source of water in public water supply scheme. Therefore, most of the cities are situated on the bank of the river, maybe peninsular or non-peninsular, seasonal. Okay, uh, seasonal. Perennial rivers, perennial or non-perennial. Perennial rivers flow throughout the year, getting the water during the summer and from the snow and from the rainwater in winter. Perennial river may be considered as the water supply source directly when non-perennial rivers may be used for public water supply, providing the storage barrier across the river. Now, impounded reservoir during the summer water which flowing the river may be difficult to operate flood town raining season. Therefore, hydraulic structure are constructed across the river impounding the reservoir. Okay, the quantity of water reservoir not much different from the lake and this one. This consists of an intake well which place connected to the drain. Okay, this